heart of the sun-drenched forest, Nayab dances with youthful abandon, her laughter echoing through the trees. Sunlight weaves through the canopy, painting the forest floor with shifting patterns. As Nayab's carefree spirit fills the air, amidst the ancient trees, a shimmering door materializes, hidden from the world, igniting Nayab's innocent curiosity. Nayab approaches the magical door, drawn by its gentle, inviting glow. An inscription appears on the door, "Only those with a pure heart may enter." Nayab, lost in thought, reflects on her life. "I do not hurt anyone, I always tell the truth, and I help others." Nayab steps through the doorway, her eyes widening as she beholds the breathtaking fairy world. Butterflies flutter around Nayab, their wings creating a gentle breeze. Fairies with radiant wings welcome Nayab with open arms. Nayab, your heart is true. We will show you our world.